Moving day is stressful enough without losing your security deposit. These professional cleaning tips will save you money and headaches when you're moving out. Most people focus on packing and forget about cleaning until the last minute. But landlords look for specific things, and missing these spots could cost you hundreds or thousands of dollars. Here are the pro tips that actually work. Tip number 1. Start with the kitchen, clean inside appliances, especially the oven and refrigerator. Tip number 2. Don't forget baseboards and light fixtures. Landlords always check these. Tip number 3. Patch nail holes and touch up scuff marks on walls. Tip number 4. Deep clean carpets. This is the #1 deposit killer. And tip number 5. Clean windows inside and out for that final impression. Follow this checklist and your place will look better than move-in condition. That's how you guarantee getting your full security deposit back. But no time to clean before your move? Our move-out cleaning specialists guarantee landlord approval and protect your deposit. We handle everything while you focus on moving. Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today, 256-633-6332. Visit bearbroscleaning.com.